In this tutorial, we will show you how to send parse data from monthly reports via email using PDF.co and Zapier. We will use this sample monthly report and extract the value in the table. First, click on the Create a Zap button to make Zap. Then, let's choose PDF.co as the app event and the Document Parser as the action event. Next, connect your PDF.co account to perform the Zap. Now, we will show you how to create Document Parser template. First, press on the Load Test PDF or image, and select the PDF document you want to upload. Then, click on the Add Object button and select the Add field based on text search selection. In the Expression field, input the regex expression of the field value and put a check mark on the regex box. Click on the Run Template button to see the extracted value. Then, press the Save Template and Return button to get the template ID. This is the new template ID that we made. Let's set up the Document Parser action event. In the Input field, select or choose the source file URL. In the Template field, enter the template ID. Now, let's send our Document Parser configuration to PDF.co to test and review. Excellent. Our test was successful. PDF.co returned our parsed value. Now, let's add another action. Select Gmail for the app event. For the action event, choose Send Email to create and send new email. Now, connect your Gmail account to send email. Let's set up our Gmail email. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. In the From field, choose the email address you want to send the email from. In the Subject field, enter your desired email subject. In the Body Type field, you can choose either a plain email or an HTML email. In the Body field, you can enter the parsed data. Let's send our email configuration to Gmail to test. Great. Our Gmail test was a success. Let's go over to our recipient's email inbox and check the result. This is the email that the recipient will receive once we run our Zap. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.